I think my experience has been like a very good, very satisfying experience, I'd say. Like I've learned like all kinds of different techniques on rigging and using rope in certain situations, and it's even advanced my skills and experience with chainsaw work as well. What really drew me to it was the fact that I could be climbing trees and using a chainsaw at the same time, because all my life I'd been climbing trees. Like when I was a kid, I always liked climbing trees just for fun. And I've always, my whole family, like my grandfather and my father, I've always used a chainsaw too, and it's kind of something I learned earlier in my life. That's one of the key elements in working in this industry. You gotta develop a relationship with the people you work with, and because you have one guy climbing the tree and you have to, that one guy is depending on you to bring up his water or like do rigging for him down on the ground. So it's good to have good relationships with the people you're around.